Here's how to fix Instagram music story not showing or not working. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your App Store or the Play Store. Then here you have to see if your app is updated or not. To enjoy latest features on any app, you have to make sure the app is updated. If your app is not updated, try to update your app. Then go to your mobile settings and go to the apps section. After that, here tap on the Instagram option. Now tap on the storage. Then tap on the clear cache of the app. This will fix any bugs and errors if there are any in your app. You can also try force stopping your app by clicking on this option. Now go back and open your Instagram app. Then check if your problem is fixed or not. If this doesn't work for you, here is our third solution. Tap on this little profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now click on the settings and privacy. After that, scroll to the bottom and go to the option of help. Tap on the report a problem option. Then tap on the report problem without shaking. Now don't include and continue. After that, here you have to enter your screenshot of the problem and describe the details the problem you are facing. Then tap on the send option at the top right corner. Once you send a report of your problem, then Instagram will get back to you. After that, you have to uninstall your app and reinstall it. Hopefully this will fix your issue. So that's how to fix Instagram story not working.